Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford Escape door panel. First, gather your tools, including a plastic trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and possibly a 7mm or 8mm socket. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the window is completely lowered for safety. Take a moment to identify all visible screws and potential hidden clips before you begin prying. Next, we'll tackle the fasteners. Start by gently prying off any trim pieces, such as those around the door handle or window switch, to reveal hidden screws. You'll typically find 3 to 5 screws, often Phillips head or 7mm, in various locations like the door pull and bottom edge. Once screws are out, use your plastic trim tool to carefully pry around the panel's perimeter, releasing the numerous plastic clips. With the clips released, gently lift the door panel straight up and away from the door frame. Be mindful that it will still be connected by wires and cables. Carefully disconnect all electrical connectors for components like the window switch, door lock switch, and any lights. Then, detach the door handle and door lock cables from their respective mechanisms, usually by unhooking them from a small lever. Once all electrical and cable connections are free, you can fully remove the door panel and set it aside. Before reassembly, inspect all the plastic clips on the panel. Replace any that are broken or damaged to ensure a snug fit. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps, making sure all wires and cables are reconnected and the panel clips properly align and snap into place.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.